Let's go ahead and put a couple of chairs into our scene now. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the mezzanine level here. And we'll go to Insert and load some chairs. We'll do that from the cloud. I'm still in the place mode here. Okay, load from the cloud. I'm in seating already. That's found under Furniture and Seating. And the one I'm going to pick is the task chair with arms on it. Go ahead and load that in. And it looks like we have to manually tell it we want to place it. And I'll go ahead and set one here. And then I don't know if the spacebar does anything. Let's try to, yeah, it will rotate it for placement. So let's go ahead and, I'm going to make these tables a little bit wider. This just to show you how quick this is, right? We'll just go ahead and double click on this. I'm just going to stretch these out 3 inches on both sides. So this is 42 inches wide. And click that complete. And then save that and then load it back into the project. And overwrite the existing ones. And there we have a little more space. Now these chairs can actually sit a little bit underneath the edge of the seating. If you want to make them look a little more realistic, we can go ahead and give them a little rotation. Let's just copy these a little bit. I got the chair selected, and we'll just copy these over. I'll place one here, and then I'll rotate it, and we'll use that one. And we'll go ahead and see what that looks like. And I got this silly mezzanine view too. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because we don't have the mezzanine floor in. And let's see what 3D view 1. That's kind of useless now. So let's go ahead and modify that one. I hate to have that kind of growing of views, more and more views, all of useless nature. All right, so let's take a look at what 3D view 1 looks like. So there we have our chairs placed. Now if we go ahead and render this, we're going to find out our chairs are kind of an ugly color. Got kind of a purplish to them. So I'm just going to select one and we're going to just kind of do a quick hack to modify it. You see it's got that slate blue color. So I'm just going to click on that. If I get to the right screen. And I'm not going to change it being slate blue. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it back to a black color and then just make it a neutral gray. And you can do whatever you want there if you wanted them white or whatever. So that completes just the idea of placing just a generic floor-based chair object. I think next we need to look at making some monitors.